Founded in 1968, Chempace Corporation is a leading specialty chemical manufacturer, providing non-toxic, non-caustic, and environmentally friendly formulations tailored to all industrial needs. We provide a versatile selection of alkaline cleaners suitable for various surfaces like ferrous metals, glass, plastic, concrete, industrial woodblock floors, and masonry floors, ensuring effective cleaning. Our combination cleaner is a multi-metal precision cleaner with built-in corrosion inhibitors, capable of removing various industrial contaminants while protecting against corrosion. We offer a range of heavy-duty, non-butyl degreasers and detergents designed to dissolve oils and greases, lifting and emulsifying for effortless soil removal. Our heat treat cleaners are non-foaming, removing various industrial soils, while our ink cleaner is formulated for water-based publication inks, ideal for all production and press room cleaning applications. We recommend Ultra Clean HT and Cardite HTC for use in heat treating ovens and soak tanks, maintaining clean and efficient treatment systems. Our pressure washing cleaners are suitable for diverse surfaces and materials, ensuring efficient removal of industrial soils and heavy oils, and ideal for heavy and farm equipment, dunnage, cars, barns, and floors. Chempace Corporation and its associates strive to consistently achieve and maintain the highest standards of environmental protection, health, and safety. We have long been committed to being a responsible industry leader and helping the sanitation industry to find more solutions to their increasingly advancing industry through innovative products, insight, and better information. Such products include EnviroClean 2000, biodegradable, non-toxic, non-hazardous floor cleaner. Gentle Giant, neutral pH, extremely concentrated floor and maintenance cleaner. Gentle Giant RTU, multi-purpose, pH-neutral, hard surface cleaner. We are among the most highly recognized manufacturers in the sanitation industry, which is why we're affectionately referred to as the Solution People. Our comprehensive range of other industrial products includes defoamers, process cleaners, graphite removers, ready-to-use cleaners and deodorizers, purging compounds, ultrasonic cleaners, rust preventatives, vehicle wash, rust strippers, solvent-based rust inhibitors, vibratory and burnishing compounds, yellow metal cleaners and inhibitors. Our BioForce blocks, bricks, cubes are designed for gradual waste degradation, reducing odor, sludge, and grease buildup for round-the-clock waste degradation treatment. We provide BioForce Packet, a live bacteria product liquefying organic waste and grease, and BioForce Liquid, a blend of specialized bacteria strains for efficient waste digestion and odor elimination. Our BioForce Grease Degrader is a potent powdered formulation blend of microorganisms, nutrients, and surfactants, designed for degrading various types of waste in industrial applications. Orange Aid and Grease Relief are powerful citrus degreasers designed to control odors, dissolve grease, and tackle tough soil buildups in drains, grease traps, septic tanks, dumpsters, and lagoons. Our deodorants, including Condo and Cherry Dew, are highly concentrated liquids formulated to neutralize odors and freshen various problem areas like hotels, schools, and hospitals. We offer Everfresh Pump Oil Additive and Fresh Zone Concentrated Liquid Spray to counteract unpleasant odors in diverse applications such as portable toilets, warehouses, and kitchens. Our BioForce Max Drain Field Treatment contains powerful bacteria to maintain septic systems, degrade organic residue, and improve soil absorption in applications like drain fields and septic tanks. We offer Wipeout, a liquid graffiti remover effective on various surfaces like metal, brick, and tile, and suitable for applications including schools, warehouses, and road signs. Our Big Red Floating Solvent effectively cleans grease, oil, and sludge from walls and pumps in various applications, such as lift stations and waste treatment plants. We offer highly concentrated sewer solvents, including Cyclone and Sewer Foam, to dissolve organic matter, grease, lint, paper, and hair without fire hazards, ensuring effective sewer maintenance. We utilize advanced technology with cost-effective products for all septic and grease hauler needs. Whether you are looking for formulas or specialized products, we have a solution. Contact us today to learn more about our products.